Hey, welcome back to the 6.8 liter garage. We're back out here cutting some Christmas stuff. It's Christmas time, pretty close to Christmas time. I had this idea, you know those pictures you see with a little red pickup with the Christmas tree in the back? I thought, hey, I ought to cut out a metal ornament that looks like that. So, laptop guy's back from his vacation, and I asked him to draw one of those. And so, of course, he went and got on the laptop and drew something else. So, let's see what he came up with. We'll cut that out, and well, first, why don't you go see what he came up with, and when you come back, we'll cut it out. Okay, laptop guy here. I'm supposed to do one of those little red pickups with a Christmas tree in the back for a Christmas ornament, but I drew this Bronco you see here on the desktop once before for a keychain, so I'm thinking I'm going to reuse that. Let's open up Inkscape, and then open up the keychain holder. Alright, we're going to start with this. Draw a little Christmas tree on top of this and make a great Christmas ornament. So first steps first, we go to the node tool, click this guy. There's the nodes. I'm going to click that segment and delete it. Click that segment and delete it. And click this segment and delete it. And now we need to put a segment between those two nodes. Do that. Round the tire a little bit. Same thing here, segment between these two nodes. Put some air in the tire. Now we don't need these nodes for the keychain holder anymore. They can all be deleted. So highlight them and delete them. And delete them. Okay, so now we need a Christmas tree on top of this Bronco. That's not too difficult. Let's grab the Bezier tool and draw a Christmas tree. Something like this. Stump on it. And we'll put the tree down into the roof of the Bronco. Have it hang over, I'll say that far. Boom, looks like a Christmas tree, right? Almost. So now we need to join those together. I'm going to go back to the node tool, click that segment and delete it. That segment and delete it. The tree is going to blend right in with the roof. Delete that node. And delete both those nodes. Then we can put a node right here. Oh, we need to. Then we need to delete. Now we got to put a node in here on the Christmas tree. And we can delete this section. And we can delete this section between those two nodes. And then let's join these two nodes together as one node. And same thing here. Join those two nodes together as one node. Now that the Christmas tree is joined to the Bronco, we have a single drawing. And I'm going to make this tree droop a little bit. Same thing here, a little bit. And then we need to add some boughs to the tree. Oops. Insert some nodes here to use for the boughs. And we'll put one on the bottom. And we'll drag those out. There we go. That looks a lot like a Christmas tree. The only thing missing now is a place to hang the ornament from. So we'll put a little hole there. Take that object, make it a path. Shift, combine. Actually, I think we want to path, combine. There we go. So we have our Bronco with a Christmas tree on the top and a hole to hang it from. That's all there is to it. That's a Christmas tree ornament. I'm going to make this fit the size, and let's go back out in the garage and cut it out. Go, laptop guy drew a Bronco carrying a Christmas tree. That'll be good on my Christmas tree. Let's get it cleaned up. So there's the Christmas ornament. Bronco and carrying a Christmas tree Christmas ornament straight out of the paint booth. Little green spray paint on the tree, little black spray paint on the tires, and since my Bronco is silver, well, dark gray, but still matches my Bronco, so I just left that natural and hit the whole thing with a little lacquer on top, and that's my ornament. Okay, that came out pretty good. We got our Bronco carrying the Christmas tree ornament that laptop guy dreamed up. Come to find out he did it that way because it was easier for him, but either way, I like how it came out. So that's it for today. If you like what you saw here, if you're interested in getting one of these, the drawing's available on the store. The store is available following that QR code. More stuff on the store, some hats and shirts and stuff, and many of the drawings that I've done videos on are available on the store. So if you enjoyed this, please like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, subscribe, and keep watching. And if there's something you'd like to see me do, or want to know why I did it, or want to tell me what I did wrong, leave a comment. The comments are great. It's always good to hear from, know somebody's out there watching. Anyway, Merry Christmas, and make yourself a Bronco ornament.